We are gearing up to bring you a festival like no other this year. Punk NYC is dedicated to bringing music to the streets of New York City, to the subways of New York City, to the parks, to the schools, to the venues, to the galleries. From Chicago, we have one of the festival's most beloved acts returning, Environmental Encroachment. From Paris, France, we have the French fanfare extraordinaire, Les Vilains Chicots. And from New Orleans, New Creations Brass Band, whose 21st century take on the New Orleans brass tradition unites people together with their groovy, funky rhythms.
This year's upcoming Community Garden Cavalcade will be starting in a community garden, winding out into different community gardens. We will gather other foods, vegetables, puppets, and magical people to celebrate in one big hooray.
Another great addition to our program this year is our first presentation of Parade Theater, performance artist Padaleshko's piece, The Flows and Cons of Arctic Drilling, featuring a cast of over 20 people in collaboration with Revolutionary Snake Ensemble band leader Ken Field.
All over the world, people are forming brass bands. It's the punk of now. It's really non-commercial because it's hard to take 30 people on the road. It's amazing that there is a festival of this music because all those people have to pay to get themselves here.
Please support our endeavor to bring you the best in street music and spectacle from around the United States and the globe.
Support it.
Please support Punk NYC!
New York, New York, punk!